Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional, a solo entrepreneur managing your digital marketing efforts, or somewhere in between, you're likely wondering, are my digital marketing efforts working? To answer that question, you'll need to establish a good understanding of attribution as well as your customer journey. Attribution is a reporting strategy that allows marketers to see the impact their marketing messages have on their conversion goals. To better understand attribution, it's important to understand how your customers interact with your brand. This brings us to the customer journey, which is the experience your customer has with your brand in a series of stages. These stages are awareness, consideration, purchase, retention, and advocacy. This customer journey may look different for every customer and brand. For example, a customer of a makeup brand might spot an ad for an inexpensive lipstick and move quickly from awareness to purchase, while another customer shopping for an expensive mattress will need a little bit more time to get to know your brand before deciding to buy. Regardless, along the journey there are several key opportunities for you as a marketer to influence and engage your customers, guiding them towards purchase and hopefully advocacy. Now let's take a look at attribution in the context of the customer journey. There are a few different ways to track attribution. First touch, last touch, and multi-touch attribution are some of the most common. First touch will attribute the first marketing interaction your customer experiences to the conversion, giving it credit for the success. Last touch is similar, but instead gives credit for the conversion to the last marketing interaction the customer engaged with. Lastly, multi-touch attribution looks at a combination of multiple marketing touchpoints along the journey and gives each a weighted attribution. Klaviyo uses a last touch model with an attribution window. Attribution will only be attributed to the marketing message if a customer converts within this window. For example, let's say someone buys a product shortly after receiving an SMS for your brand. Attribution will only be applied to the SMS if the conversion takes place in the predetermined window. This gives you a helpful and accurate idea of what prompted your customers to convert. With all of this in mind, let's take a look at attribution in action when multiple types of messages are involved. Beantown Coffee is launching a new blend of coffee and sending an email to announce the launch of their new flavor. They're also sending a text message to remind their SMS subscribers of the new blend the day after it goes live. Francine is a big fan of Beantown's coffee and receives both messages. She first opens the email and clicks the link to learn about the new product, but doesn't buy it. The next day, she clicks on the link in the SMS and buys the new blend within the first hour of the text being sent. In this case, the customer is inside the attribution window of both the email and SMS. Both messages played a big part in the overall launch of the product, but ultimately, the success and the revenue generated was credited to the SMS. Regardless of where your customer may be in their journey with your brand, attribution is an incredibly helpful tool to measure the success of your marketing efforts and build a strong foundation for your reporting.